In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Shopify logo from your footer. This is a quick and straightforward process, so let's dive right in. To start, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. If you don't have an account yet or haven't logged in, take a moment to do so. Simply head over to the Shopify website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be brought to the admin panel. This is your control center, where you can manage everything related to your store, from products to payments, and as we'll explore today, your store's appearance. From your Shopify admin panel, look for the Online Store option on the left-hand side and click it. This will bring up a drop-down menu, and you'll want to choose Themes from the options. Now, here's where you'll see a list of your available themes. Locate the theme that you're currently using. It's essential to make sure you're editing the correct one, especially if you have multiple themes installed. Next to your active theme, you'll see 3 small dots. Click on them, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, find the option that says Edit Default Theme Content. This option allows you to modify the text and elements displayed in your theme, including the footer content we're focusing on today. Now that you're in the Theme Content Editor, things might look a little overwhelming with all the different fields and settings. To make things easier, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Powered By or Powered by Shopify. This will narrow down the fields to the ones related to the footer branding we're aiming to remove. In the search results, you'll likely find a field under a section labeled Links or something similar. This is where the default text, Powered by Shopify, lives. To remove it, you have a couple of options. You can either completely delete the text or replace it with a single space. Both approaches effectively achieve the same result, a clean, unbranded footer. Once you've made your changes, it's crucial not to forget to save your work. Look at the top of the screen for the Save button and click it. This action will apply your edits and update the live version of your theme. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Shopify logo from your footer. Refresh your storefront page in your browser to view your newly updated footer. You'll notice that the Powered by Shopify text is now gone, leaving your store with a more professional and personalized appearance. This small change can make a big difference in presenting your brand in the most polished way possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.